Introduction about magnetic properties of materials. Introductions. Magnetism areas from the magnetic momentum or magnetic dipole of magnetic material. When the electrons revolve around the nucleus orbital, magnetic moment areas. Similarly, when the electron spin magnetic momentum or arise. The phenomenon of magnetic moment can rise due to the first one is the orbital magnetic momentum of the electrons, the spin magnetic moment of the electrons, and the spin magnetic moment of the nucleons. Magnetic induction or magnetic flux density. The magnetic induction is in materials is the number of lines of magnetic force passes through unit area perpendicularly. Then units is Weber per meter square or Tesla. Next, magnetic field intensity H, denoted by symbol of the H. The magnetic field intensity at any point in the magnetic field is the force expanded by the unit north pole placed at the point. Units is ampere per meter. Next, permeability is denoted by nu mu. The magnetic induction B is proportional to the applied magnetic field intensity H. The magnetic induction B is proportional to the applied magnetic field intensity H. Per mu permeability of the a medium. Mu directly proportional to H. Mu is equal mu H, mu is equal to H by B by H. Relative permeability mu. The ratio of permeability of medium to the permeability of free space is called relative permeability mu f of the solid. Mu f of the solid. Magnetism. Magnetism refers to the process of converting a non-magnetic material into a magnetic material. The intensity of magnetization is directly related to the applied field H. That is B directly proportional to H. Proportionality మనం తీసేసి B is equal to mu H. B is equal mu బదులు మనము mu నాట్ mu r రాసుకుంటే B is equal to mu naught mu r into H. B is equal to mu naught mu r H plus mu naught H minus mu naught H. Then simplification మనం చేసుకున్నట్లయితే B is equal to mu naught H plus mu naught M. Where mu naught కామన్ తీసినట్లయితే mu naught is equal to B by H plus M. Relative permeability mu r is equal to mu by mu naught is equal to B by H by B by H plus M. Mu r is equal to H plus M by H, where mu r is equal to 1 plus M by H. Mu r is equal to 1 by Xi m. Origin of magnetic moment. The magnetic moment in a material originate from a orbit motion and spinning motion of the electron in an atoms. Above seeing diagram is a atom revolving with the nucleus around orbital motion to create a magnetic momentum. The magnetic momentum in magnetic orientation from the orbital motion and spinning motion of the electron in atom. Consider an atom and each electron in that orbiting around the nucleus produce a loop current I is equal to Q by T, that is equal to I is equal to Q into F, where F is equal to frequency of the electron. If L is the angular momentum of the electron, the magnetic momentum of the electron, mu is equal to area of the loop into current. Mu Lm is equal to pi square into Q by T. Mu Lm is equal to pi square into Qf. Mu Lm is equal to pi square into Q by 2 pi into 2 pi. Mu Lm is equal to pi square Q by 2m into omega. Mu Lm is equal to pi square Q by 2 pi into mu by r. Mu Lm is equal to QVR by 2. Mu Lm is equal to Q by 2m MVR. Mu Lm is equal to Q by 2m into L, where L is angular momentum of the electron. L is equal to MVR by LH by 2 pi. L is equal to MVR, that is equal to root of L into L plus 1 divided by H by 2 pi. Mu Lm is equal to Q by 2m into capital L. Mu Lm is equal to Q by 2m into under root of L into L plus 1 H by 2 pi, that is mu Lm is equal to QH by 4 pi m under root of L into L plus 1. Mu Lm is equal to mu B under root of L into L plus 1, where mu B Bohr magneton, that is equal to QH by 4 pi m, that is equal to 9.27408 to 10 to the power of minus 27 ampere per ampere meter square. Classification of magnetic material: diamaterials, diamagnetic materials, paramagnetic materials, ferromagnetic materials, antiferromagnetic materials, ferrimagnetic materials. Diamagnetic substance. The diamagnetic substance are those in which the individual atom of iron do not possess any net magnetic momentum on their own. When such substances are placed in an external magnetic field, they get fabric magnetized in a direction opposite to a magnetic field. Paramagnetic substance are those in which each individual atoms or molecules or ions has a not non-zero magnetic momentum its own. When such substances are placed in a externally magnetic field, they get fabric magnetized in the direction of the magnetic field. Ferromagnetic material. Ferromagnetic material are those in which each individual atoms or molecules has a non-zero magnetic momentum. Above see in the diagram, the magnetic domains N arrow marks, North Pole and South Poles, are randomly oriented in the unmagnetized materials. The magnetic domains become legal when the material is magnetized in the North Pole and South Pole. This curves the relation between magnetic field strength and magnetic flux density B. Flow a current upon point where further increase in magnetic field strength will result in non further change in flux density. Those condition is called magnetic suspension till a point. The flatted relationship will follow a different curve back towards zero field strength, at which point it will be from the original curve by a amount of called the remaining flux density or distance as showing the graph of point B. The thickness of the middle describe the amount of stress related to the covariance of the material from the C and F. You see in the diagrams covariant points of the C and F and reflecting points is B, saturation point is A and D. Stress curves of the soft and steels. The retentivity of the soft iron greater than retentivity of the steel. Soft iron is more strongly magnetized than the steel. Covariance of the soft iron, covariance of the steel. Hence, soft iron loses its magnetism more rapidly than the steel does. And electromagnetic. A soft iron rod has a no magnetic field. Then currently flow in wire the soft iron become magnetized, so magnetic field is directly by the flattening complex. Hard magnetic materials. Hard magnetic materials have large hysteresis loop due to large hysteresis loop areas. The covariance and retentivity are large, hence those material cannot be easily magnetized and demagnetized. Those materials have small value of permeability and susceptibility. Those are used to make a paramagnetic material. Soft magnetic material. Soft magnetic materials have low hysteresis loop due to small hysteresis loop area. The coventivity and retentivity are small, hence those materials can be easily magnetized and demagnetized. Those materials have large value of permeability and susceptibility. Those are used to make say electromagnetics, iron, silicon alloys, ferrous, nickels alloys. Superconductivity. Certain materials allow the exist almost zero resistivity, infinity conductivity, then have the cooled to the susceptibility, low temperature. This phenomena is called superconductivity. Their Meissner effect. When a weak magnetic field is looped to a superconductivity specimen at the temperature Tc, the magnetic flux lines is exploded and specimen act in as ideal diamagnetic. Those effect is called Meissner effect. Magnetic fields where B is equal to 0, when is a diamagnetic material, magnetic field density does not allow the specimen. When the diamagnetic material is magnetic does not exist in the material, such material is called diamagnetic material. Paramagnetic material is partially allows the magnetic material in the material, such material is called paramagnetic material. Ferromagnetic material is strongly magnetized in the metal, such metal is called ferromagnetic material. Magnetic susceptibility versus temperature of the dia, para, ferro, ferric and antiferric materials. The magnetic susceptibility is high of the solid depends upon the ordering of the spin, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, antiferromagnetic and ferrite magnetic solids. All have Xi greater than 0, but the magnitude of the susceptibility varies with the kind of the ordering and with temperature. We will be see things kinds of magnetic ordering primary among the third E and 4F elements and their alloys components below critical temperature of the spin of A. Solid paramagnetic substance order. The susceptibility depends from the simple Curie laws behavior. Critical temperature varies depends upon the Sandres short range exist distance. Makes the allows 3D series tend the higher critical temperature materials atoms bounded strongly to each other. It's between force attraction is strong. For example, ferrous and cobalt have certain temperature called Curie's temperature. Paramagnetic salt transaction material iron typically have critical temperature below 12 Kelvin because magnetic ions are not directly bounded to each other. Magnetic susceptibility Z depends upon the ordering of the spin. Paraferro and antiferro solids all have susceptibility greater than the 0, but magnitude of the susceptibility varies with the kind of ordering and with the temperature. Kinds of magnetic ordering primary among the 3D of elements. For example, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, all of the ferromagnetics. Cobalt and magnets are antiferromagnetics, and the ferrites. Diamagnetics components of the weak minus susceptibility.